Now we're going to take a look at how to find derivative of power functions. So power functions are functions that are raised to a power. Now guys, we are going to start with an easy example. So let's take a look at the first example. Now let's say we want to find the derivative of y equal to 6s raised to the power of 100 plus 7s raised to the power of 50 plus 8s. Now guys, the first step we are going to take is we are going to take the power, which is 100, we are going to multiply it with the base, then we are going to subtract 1 from the power. This is how we normally take derivative. Okay, so this is going to be y prime of s. Okay, this is the notation we use for derivative, y prime of s, or you can use f prime of s or dy over ds. Okay guys, so this is equal to 100 multiplied 6 is going to give us 600 s, then 100 minus 1 is going to give us 99, then plus 50 multiplied 7 is going to give us 360, so this is 360 multiply s, then 50 minus 1 is going to give us 49, then plus derivative of 8s is going to give us 8. Okay, so this is the answer. Easy, right? No problem. Let's take a look at another example. So this is example B. So y equal to the square root of 3 raised to the power of 2 minus 5 multiply the square root of 2. Now guys, how can we take the derivative of this? The derivative of this is going to be equal to y prime of s is equal to 0, because derivative of any constant number is always going to give us 0. As you can see guys, we are having constant number, so there is no need to take the derivative, because the derivative is always going to be equal to 0. Okay, so this is the answer. The derivative of y equal to the square root of 3 raised to the power of 2 minus 5 root 2 is going to be equal to 0. Okay guys, so let's take a look at another example. Now let's say we have y is equal to 1 over s plus 2 over s squared plus 3 over s raised to the power of 3. Now guys, the first step you want to take is you want to try to write this function. You want to write this function in a way you can easily take the derivative. As you can see guys, this is a fraction, right? This is a fraction, so we need to try to write this in a way we can easily take the derivative. Okay, so we need to write it into power functions. Okay guys, so this is going to be y is equal to, now guys, 1 over s can also be written as s raised to the power of negative 1. Okay, then plus 2 over s squared can also be written as 2 multiply s raised to the power of negative 2. Okay, then plus 3 over s raised to the power of 3 can also be written as 3s raised to the power of negative 3. Okay guys, as you can see guys, we can easily take the derivative of this function. So this is going to be y prime of s is equal to, now guys, s raised to the power of minus 1, the derivative is going to be negative 1 multiply s raised to the power of negative 2. Okay, because we are going to take the power, which is negative 1, we are going to multiply it with the base, then we are going to subtract 1 from the power. Negative 1 minus 1 is going to give us negative 2. Okay guys, so this is how we got negative 1s raised to the power of negative 2. So this is for the first function. Then plus, now for the second function, derivative of 2s raised to the power of negative 2 is going to give us negative 4s raised to the power of negative 3. Then plus, now for the third function, derivative of 3s raised to the power of negative 3 is going to give us negative 9s raised to the power of negative 4. Okay guys, so guys, we can also write this as y prime of s is equal to, this is negative 1 over s squared. Okay, because negative 1s raised to the power of negative 2 can also be written as negative 1 over s squared. So guys, this is basically the reciprocal, okay? Then plus negative 4s raised to the power of negative 3 can also be written as, now guys, because we're having negative here, so negative times positive is going to give us negative, okay? So this is going to be negative 4 over s raised to the power of 3. Okay, guys? Now for the last function, as you can see, guys, we're having negative multiplied by positive, right? So negative multiplied positive is going to give us negative. So this is negative 9s raised to the power of negative 4 can also be written as 9 over s raised to the power of 4. So guys, this is going to be the final answer. Now let's take a look at one more example. Now let's say we have y is equal to the cube root of s raised to the power of 3, also with s, that is the square root of s raised to the power of 2. So guys, the first step you want to take is you want to try to evaluate the value of the square root of s squared. Okay, guys? So you want to start from the inside. Okay, then you want to move to the outside. So the first step is you are going to start from the inside value, which is the square root of s squared. Okay, guys? So this is going to be y is equal to the cube root of s raised to the power of 3. Now guys, this is multiplied by s raised to the power of 2 over 3. Okay? Now the next step is you are going to multiply s raised to the power of 2 over 3 by s raised to the power of 3. Okay, guys? So this is going to be y is equal to the cube root of s raised to the power of 2 over 3 multiply s raised to the power of 3. We are going to have s raised to the power of 5 over 3. Okay? Now guys, this is y is equal to, now guys, the cube root of s raised to the power of 5 over 3 can also be written as s raised to the power of 5 over 3, then raised to the power of 1 over 3. Okay, guys? So this is going to be y is equal to, now guys, we are going to multiply 5 over 3 with 1 over 3. Okay? So this is going to be y is equal to s raised to the power of 5 over 3 multiply 1 over 3 is going to give us 5 over 9. As you can see, guys, this is in the form of a power function. Okay? So now we can easily take the derivative of s raised to the power of 5 over 9. Okay, guys? So this is going to be y prime of s is equal to, so guys, we are going to take the power, which is 5 over 9. We are going to multiply it with the base. Then we are going to subtract 1 from the power. Okay? So this is going to be 5 over 9 multiply s raised to the power of 5 over 9 minus 1 is going to give us negative 4 over 9. Okay, guys? So this is the answer. You can leave your answer like this, but if you want to simplify this further, you can say y prime of s is equal to 5 over 9, then multiply, guys, s raised to the power of negative 4 over 9 can also be written as 1 over s raised to the power of 4 over 9. So this is y prime of s is equal to, now guys, this is going to be 5 over 9 multiply, now guys, s raised to the power of 4 over 9, this is basically the 9th root of s raised to the power of 4. Okay? So this is going to be the 9th root of s raised to the power of 4. Okay, guys? So you can also write your answer like this. So this is, the derivative is going to be 5 over 9 multiply the 9th root of s raised to the power of 4. Or you can leave your answer like this. 5 over 9 multiply s raised to the power of negative 4 over 9. So guys, this is how we can take derivative of power functions. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, click the bell notification icon below so that you can get notification whenever I upload a new video, and make sure you like this video and share this video. Thank you.